Last 30 minutes of my 23-year-old self. This is what life has come to. Funny thing, we were having a session internally to up our level, to increase our caliber. एंड उसके अंदर वन ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस वाज एक कौन सा ब्रांड है, कौन सा प्रोडक्ट है जिसके आप बहुत बड़े एडवोकेट हैं. I, in classic Abdullah fashion, replied, "Hush puppies, socks." At which the person in front of me said, "Okay, how old are you to even have come up with that answer?" But see, the thing with Hush puppies socks is they're reliable, they don't smell, they are the exact same 3 colors worth of pair, they look the same across all different stores, and they're very consistent in the performance that they have. As a result of that, they're not exciting, but they're very reliable, and I love that because consistency means one less variable to worry about or think about when you're trying to plan things ahead. That might sound very, very robotic. I like to engineer serendipity in my life, I think. But as I now stand here and think of things, there are only 2 things I need to do before the clock hits 12. एक है कज़ा अपनी मगरिब पढ़नी है और एक है इशा पढ़नी है. That being said, I have to give myself a credit for the perfect time to have pimples coming all up on my skin, because of course it cannot be straightforward. It's my life after all. So now here I am, gained a lot, lost a lot. When I said gained a lot, I almost had like a fat joke, but don't worry, we let it slim past this time. Khair, so it's the last 25 minutes now. I'm just bored at this point. Like, I'm just like, just get it over with. Jaldi se bas 25 minute beete. Okay, yeah, everybody wishing happy birthday. I can go to sleep, and then next day I start again. I realize that actually these are the happy days, you know. Like, I can get bored and everything, but if you ask me, would you rather do something else? Like, would you rather work on something else? The answer is no. I know I fell in love with the game. I fell in love with crypto. I fell in love with running a business that is servicing in crypto. I fell in love with that, and I have no regrets. I'm very happy where I am, the money that I have made, the kind of vacations I can go to, the way I can support my family, the honor and integrity that God has bestowed upon me, and I have somehow still managed to not mess it up completely. I think all of that is really, really great. I think बस एक दो चीज़ और होती तो शायद ज़िंदगी थोड़ी और बेहतर होती. Of course, if Abba was here, I think कि I would have been happier. Maybe if not happier, then I would have been more content. That's perhaps the right way to put it. क्योंकि he never failed to like wish me on my birthday. He may like forget कि अच्छा 12 बज गया, but he was always there recording, and it feels very weird because अभी से I'm recording, शायद रात के 12 बजेंगे, Amma will record, but it won't be Abba recording, you know. And that's just something that now is hitting me in the last 25 minutes or so of my 23-year-old self, that I'm, you know, going into this year and I will not have my own father. Last birthday I did not celebrate it with Abba. I celebrated it with my friends, so I'm not complaining, but I just don't remember when was the last time I celebrated it with Abba. But at least I celebrated the New Year with my father, and I'm just happy. I you know, if you're confused about, you know, what you should do for like celebrations and whatnot, you know, even though it may not be like a very popular answer, I would still say spend it with people that you find so common in your life that you almost find it boring, because when they're not there, you will feel a very weird sense of emptiness that you have no experience of dealing with. Because बाकी जितनी like fancy parties हैं और ये सारी जगह हैं, यहाँ पे even if you're not there, you generally have like a very good experience rate or like response to it कि like अच्छा ठीक है, मैं नहीं हूँ वहाँ पे, कोई बात नहीं, तब भी तो नहीं था. But when these loved ones are not there, when these really close people are not there with you, you don't even know how to react, right? It's like सुबह के 7 बज रहे हैं. I don't want anyone to say anything about my face right now. So yeah, slept at like 1 or something. Feels like shit. मैं बस आदतन उठ गया हूँ. मेरा कोई नींद कंप्लीट नहीं हुई है. Oh my god. आज हमारी लेट नाइट कॉल्स हैं यार, क्योंकि आज फ्राइडे नाइट है. Oh my god. 24वें साल का पहला दिन. गोइंग वेरी रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ मेरा 23 साल कैसे गया है. भाई मुझे अपनी अभी कॉलोनी के अंकलों ने पकड़ लिया, मतलब नॉर्थ सिटी वालों ने. मैं तो सन सिटी में रहता हूँ. और मुझे फिर बैठ के फ़ोटो शूट करवा रहे हैं भाई वो लोग पूरे 5 मिनट तक, कि इधर से ले लो फ़ोटो, इधर से ले लो फ़ोटो. मैंने कहा व्हाट इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ रैंडमनेस इज दिस, बट इट वाज गुड. आई फेल्ट वेरी हैप्पी. अंदर से अच्छा लगा. दूसरा ने हमें क्या, मेरी खुशी की ठिकाना नहीं. अम्मी यहाँ पे कहीं थी, और बेचारी ने इतना ज़्यादा वो भेज दिया. इट्स लाइक 4 डिफरेंट पीसेस और हर एक अलग अलग फ्लेवर का. डैम. देखो यार, कुछ हो या ना हो, मुझे बस ये पता है कि कंट्रोल्ड फूड वाला तो नहीं होने वाला है आज, क्योंकि आज तो इतना खाने को मिला है. ज़ुकरा ने कुछ भेजा है, अम्मा की तरफ से कुछ है, कुछ अरसलान की तरफ से है, कुछ मोबी की तरफ से कुछ आएगा. So it's like lots and lots of food. I'm pretty sure Pega might come with something as well. So lots of things to eat. कुछ देर में पेगा भी आ जाएगी और हमें तो वर्कआउट भी करना है. मैं सो गया था, लेकिन 15-20 मिनट से ज़्यादा नहीं सो पाया, तो टाइम टू गो बैक अगेन. आई हैव टू वर्कआउट. मुझे कुछ नमाज अपनी कंप्लीट करनी है. आफ्टर दैट शो टाइम.
Guys, and let me tell you that we are really changing the world as we know it. The world is not anymore the way it used to be. No, no, no.
Well, talk about being a lucky guy. Best part about all of this is that I'm spending this with my family. And of course, missing you. But apart from that, I would say this is a pretty 10 out of 10 setup. I would say that is a wrap to today. Had fun. बहुत सारे लोगों ने बहुत सारे केक्स भेजे. And more than that, check out this, what my team made for me as like a wallpaper. I really like it. And they made AI videos and whatnot, just to like wish me. So I'm very lucky to be with those kinds of people as friends and colleagues who look after me that much. So really happy about it. More happy than that I am about the kinds of deals that we managed to have this whole time. बहुत special था, बहुत मज़ा आया, and I'm grateful. 24 years on this planet, and maybe like 35 more to go. You never know.